lukia bracelet. It broke, but so I decided just to see what's inside it. So yeah, guys, getting the knife. Let me get this one. They say that there's supposedly Mount Everest water, but let's actually check if that's real. So I'm gonna try to put this something like that. There we go. Take that one off, but that doesn't have nothing in. So now I'm just gonna take out this blue one. Can't hear nothing. I feel like I'm gonna cut myself, but I'm not going to. This one's harder to cut open. Nope, this has nothing inside it. I was so close from cutting myself. What? I'm recording. And yep, there's nothing, completely nothing inside it. Yeah, there's nothing inside it, but let's see about the pink one. Nothing inside that one. Yeah. See what happens. Nothing. I know there's not going to be nothing inside this one, but you never know, actually. Yep, as I said, nothing. It's not even hollow inside. I was expecting it to be like that, but yep, nothing. Well, anyways, I'm gonna buy some more. And so, yeah, guys, when I buy more, I'll do more stuff. What's inside, you know? Oh, God. Ow. I feel bad for this bracelet. But, I just felt like doing it, so, yeah, guys. This is really short. So, guys, yeah, guys, all of it. Bye. I'd good memories with you. That's the last time you're ever gonna see that. So yeah, guys, sponsor my authors.